Classification of the acids. Classification of the acid. Different views are proposed for the classification of the acids. First, classification of the acids depend on their sources. On the basis of the sources, acids can be classified into two categories. First is organic acid. Acids which are obtained through plants and animals. Acids which are obtained through plants and animals are called organic acids. For example, HCOOH, that is formic acid. It is found in stings of ants. And second acid is CH3COH, that is acetic acid. It is found in vinegar. And third one is tartaric acid, tartaric acid, C4H6O6. It is found in tamarind. So organic acid organic acids are the acids which are found in plants and animals. And the second types of the acids are the mineral acids or inorganic acids. Second types of the inorganic acid. Inorganic acid or mineral acid. These acids are obtained through minerals. For example, sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, nitric acid, HNO3, hydrochloric acid, HCl, phosphoric acid, H3PO4. These all acids are obtained through minerals. These all are called inorganic acids. Generally, inorganic acids or mineral acids are stronger than organic acids. It is not always true, but generally inorganic acids are also stronger than inorganic acids or mineral acids are stronger than organic acids. And next, classification of the acids are depend on their strength. Now, second classification depend on their strength. So first we will discuss what is the strength of acid. The strength of acid, that is Ka, is directly proportional to the number of hydronium ions H3O+. Here is the K represent a constant for the acidic strength and H3O+ represent the hydronium ion. So strength of the acids is depend upon the number of hydronium ion. Acids which provides high concentration of hydronium ion are termed as strong acids, and the acids which are provide low concentration of hydronium ion in their aqueous solution are termed as weak acid. So on the basis of strength, acids again classified into two categories. So next classification depend upon the strength of the acids. Second classification depend upon strength. On the basis of the strength, acids are of two types. Strong acid, Sa, Here is the acid, S for strong, A for acid, and Sa for strong acid, and second is Wa, W for weak, A for acid. Here is the Wa for weak acid. Strong acid means which provide high concentration of hydronium ion, that is H3O+. For example, HCl, H2, SO4, HNO3. These all acids are called strong acids, and weak acids are those acids which provide less concentration of hydronium ion. For example, acetic acid CH3COOH, it is a weak acid. Similarly, formic acid HCOOH, it is again weak acid. We take a simple example of weak acid CH3COOH. It's acetic acid. When it is dissolved in H2O, it gives simply hydronium ion, that is H3O plus, and acetate ion CH3COO negative. It is called acetate ion. Since acetic acid is a weak acid, means aqueous solution of acetic acid provides less concentration of hydronium ion. Means if we study the aqueous solution of acetic acid, we take a test tube which contain acetic acid plus H2O. Then it contains three types of species. First is hydronium ion, that is H3O plus. Second is acetate ion CH3CO negative, and third one is non-dissociate or non-ionized CH3COH. So here is the important notes that all weak acids contain three types of species in their aqueous solution. First is hydronium ion, and second is anion of acid, and third is non-ionized acid. For example, acetic acid contain H3O plus, that is hydronium ion, acetate ion, and the non-dissociate CH3COH. But in the strong acid like HCl and H2SO4, strong acid like H2SO4, HCl, it's a strong acid. When it is dissolved in H2O, it gives a hydronium ion like acetic acid H3O plus, and the second is anion of acid, that is Cl negative. Since HCl is a strong acid, so aqueous solution of HCl contains only two types of species, that is hydronium ion and Cl negative. Means aqueous solution of strong acid not contain non-ionized molecules. In the strong acid, all molecules are ionized and give hydronium ion and the anion of acid. Third classification of the acid depend upon the concentration of the acid. Concentration of the acid. On the basis of the concentration of the acid, acids are of two types. First is concentrated acid. It means these types of acids have more amount of acid or more quantity of acid as compared to H2O. And the second is dilute acid. It contains more amount of H2O as compared to acid. Here is the most important note that all concentrated acids are not called strong acid, SA for strong acid. Similarly, all dilute acid are not called weak acid, WO4 weak acid, since strength of the acid depends upon number of hydronium ion, that is H3O+, but concentration of the acid depend upon the amount or quantity of the acid. For example, dilute HCl is a stronger acid than concentrate acetic acid, that is CH3COOH, since aqueous solution of dilute HCl gives more number of hydronium ion as compared to CH3COH. Here is the dilute HCl is a strong acid as compared to concentrate CH3COH. So we can say simply that all concentrated acids are not considered as strong acid. Similarly, all weak acids are not considered as, all dilute acids are not considered as weak acid.